You're so in luck. I've been working on this for 10 or 15 minutes, but I've been doing this for a long time, so it's easier for me. But I'm on the last couple. I've been posting everything. Like some of these you can see pretty clearly. Here's the credit to cash, and here is the debit to accounts payable on December 19th. And I took that right from this journal entry, just posting the journal entries to the ledgers. I just posted this one. I have two left. Wage expense debit $2,100. Wage expense, where are you? Oh, and this is December 31st. Wage expense, oh, shoot, I forgot that number. 2,100. 2,100. And the other half of that was a credit to cash. See how exciting this is. And the last one was a withdrawal on December 31st. So let's see. December 31st, withdrew. I can't even remember the amounts. $650. And one withdrawals, December 31st, $650. Now I did find one entry. This is the entry that I made on November 7th. And when I went to post it, I noticed that I was posting a debit to a revenue account. And revenue accounts are always credits. A debit would be a refund or something, but this was just earned 1,200 cash. So I wrote this one backward and caught it when I was posting, corrected it. I went back up here, November 7th. And I switched the two around. So it's debit, cash, credit, revenue. That entry is always the same way. Posted it correctly, I hope. And so now the next step after posting is to go through and put balances in all the accounts. I'm looking for an easy one. This one looks pretty easy. So the balance in accounts receivable, I can already tell it's going to be on the debit side, which is normal. And this is 6,700 minus 1,600. You know what? Don't do it the way I do it. Go find a calculator and do it the right way. 3,500 plus 3,200 minus 1,600 is 5,100. So let me do this one here. Accounts payable. Where is my calculator? Accounts payable. And I'm going to do this one the other way because I know that the balance is going to end up on the credit side. Don't slide around behind there. Go here. So let's see. 4,700 plus 500 plus 300. Those are the credits in that account. Minus 1,600 minus 2,800, 1,100. Another way to do this, if I may just do this quickly, is to always do debits minus credit. 1,600 plus 2,800 minus 4,700 minus 500 minus 300. And if it comes out negative, that means it's on the credit side. That doesn't mean that credits are negative numbers. They're not, because notice that credits increase accounts payable. Credits increase revenue. So that's your next step, is to go through and figure out all the balances. And then once you do that, you can populate the trial balance. So let's do that, and we will reconvene very, very soon.